Hey everyone, it's Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the earpads on a set of Bose QC45 headphones. These are not the QC45, but the process is the exact same with the QC15, 25, both versions of the 35 and the 45. So it's a pretty simple process. First, you're just going to stick a finger around the back and you can kind of feel a lip underneath the earpad, and then you can just pull kind of inwards, just towards the center and out, and the whole earpad just comes out. So we'll pull the other one out, fingers in, boom, just like that. And as you can see, we also have these kind of secondary parts of the earpad, and with your new replacement earpads, you will get those. They just hold in with 2 pieces of double-sided tape. So if you do want to remove them, you can just go from the top or the bottom and just peel them off, and then make sure that you get the old tape off of there, and then you can just peel the backing off the tape and set that in, and then put your earpad on. These ones are in good shape though, so we're not going to worry about that. But before I do install the new earpad, you can see that there's a clear difference here. This one's yellow, this one's blue. Now what does that mean? It's a different type of foam. So this foam is much less long lasting. It tends to flatten out much faster over time. And the aftermarket earpads like this tend to have a looser leather wrap on them. So they look like they might be a little bit thicker than the OEM ones, but it's actually just that the leather on these is a little tighter and there's actually just air in there. So from our experience, these are more comfortable and they last longer, but these are a little cheaper. We sell both of them, so it just depends on which one you're looking for. They're both on our website, joesge.com. But I like the yellow ones because they're a little firmer, and I just find them to be a little bit more comfortable. I have glasses, so Bose headphones are kind of my go-to because they're really the most comfortable ones on the market, and in my opinion at least. And the OEM earpads use the yellow foam. The aftermarket ones always use the blue foam, so that answers any questions you might have about foam. You didn't know you were gonna get a little lesson on foam, but you did. So, all right, without further ado, let's put this earpad on. So around the edge, you can see that there's a bunch of clips with kind of a lip underneath them, and you just need to get this foam underneath a couple of those clips, ideally, and then you can just go around and kind of just push on the foam and kind of pull into the center till you hear a little clip. And then once you think you've got them all in, you can go around and just tug on the earpad. Right there, we didn't get that part in. Go around and tug. It's really easy to miss on these. All right, so that one's on. We'll go ahead and put the second one on. And while I do that, I said earlier that we do sell the earpads on our website and stuff. We also offer repair services for lots of Bose headphones. We do offer them for the QC45s currently, but that may not always be the case. So check the description and the link for repair services to see which models we currently offer services for. But we do sell parts for most models of Bose headphones on our website. So if you're looking for parts, if you have a question about repairing your headphones, drop it in the comments below or shoot us an email and we'd love to help out. We really enjoy helping people fix their stuff. So awesome. Well, we got our new earpads on. They're looking great. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.